Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're on the hunt for a high-quality treadmill to supercharge your home workouts, you're in the right spot. Today, we're breaking down the ProForm Pro 9000 treadmill, the 2025 model, with a full review of its pros and cons to help you make an informed decision. Let's jump right in. First, let's cover the key features. This treadmill packs a powerful 3.6 chp motor that hits speeds up to 12 miles per hour and offers an impressive 15% auto incline. The 22-inch touchscreen is a standout, integrating seamlessly with IFIT for virtual coaching, global workouts, and real-time stats. It also has a spacious 60-inch deck with adjustable cushioning to protect your joints during long runs. Now, onto the pros. The build quality is top-notch. It's sturdy and feels premium, making it perfect for intense training sessions. The interactive screen keeps things engaging, almost like having a personal trainer in your living room. Plus, Bluetooth connectivity lets you sync your devices for music and progress tracking, and it's surprisingly quiet for a machine this powerful, so it won't disturb the rest of the house. But no product is perfect, so let's talk cons. The price is a big drawback. It's around $2,500, which might be tough on a budget. It's also quite bulky, requiring a fair amount of space, so measure twice before you buy. Some users have reported occasional software glitches with the IFIT app, and you'll need a subscription for full access, adding to the ongoing costs. In conclusion, the ProForm Pro 9000 is an excellent choice for serious runners or fitness enthusiasts who want advanced features and are willing to invest. If you're just starting out or watching your wallet, you might want to consider more affordable alternatives. Overall, it earns a solid 4 out of 5 stars from me. Thanks for watching. If this review helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more gear reviews. What's your favorite treadmill? Let me know in the comments below.